Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, and we're back after many tedious hours of raking rock. We're back over at our Sidewalk project in Town and Country, and stayed till about 8:30 last night raking this rock. Put about 10 yards of rock in here, and we're getting ready to compact it. Raking rock is my absolutely least favorite thing to do. I can't stand it. It's like the endless back row workout. But we got it pretty good. Everything's pretty close and came out real nice. Getting ready to compact it with my new compactor. This thing is absolutely amazing, and believe it or not, it weighs quite a few pounds. Probably somewhere in the neighborhood of about 300 or 400 pounds. Made by Whacker Newson. And of course, I got my trusty 305 Cat and the old, well, not old, brand new track loader and my 299D. And anyway, we're going to get busy here compacting this out, put in a few cedar boards for expansion, and we're good to go. Looking at pouring this on Tuesday. So Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. What solution can we bring to you? Give us a call at 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web at www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thanks.